Begins with the PARRISH triplets. CAMRYN, TRISTAN, and SEBASTIAN, all decked out in their Chiefs paraphernalia. They are celebrating their 6th birthday, and the grandparents, Grandma and Grandpa, well, they just happen to live in Crestline. So a very happy birthday to CAMRYN, TRISTAN, and SEBASTIan. I'm sure that is one busy family birthday party.
That's right.
We've also got MAKAELAH WALDON, who is celebrating her 11th birthday. Miss MAKAELAH, a very happy birthday to you. She's in Miami and happens to be a 5th grader at Alexander Elementary. That's in Commerce. And MAKAELAH, I want you to know these happy birthday wishes are from Mom, Nana, Pops, and Meemaw.
All right. In Carthage, also turning 11 this year, CAMRYN LANSDOWN. Happy birthday. Nice picture there of CAMRYN.
I like that number 11 because that is exactly where we have for KINSLEY Harris. She celebrates her birthday as well. Wonderful picture there, Miss Kinsley. She is in Hepler.
All right. In Girard, Kansas, JAYCIE GEIER is turning 12 years old this year. Happy birthday, JAYCIE. She's a 6th grader at Girard Middle School, it says. And she's got love coming from Nana today.
In Arma, Drew Lovell celebrating his 26th birthday. Drew, a very happy birthday to you.
All right, Jason WARSTLER celebrating birthday number 35 this year. Jason is in Galesburg, Kansas. Happy birthday.
Good old Matt C. celebrating his 43rd. Oh, why does that not surprise me? Look at that. Out on the water, got the fishing pole. Matt, a very happy birthday in Pittsburgh.
All right, ARNONA BOGNER celebrating birthday number 64 in Parsons. This picture, if you notice what's in the background there, she was getting ready to hop on the Royal Gorge train.
Too cool.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Arnona. Steve Hensley, he is celebrating his 64th birthday. A little Webb City Cardinal pride. Steve, I hope as an early birthday present that you enjoyed the state championship. It looks like he's got a future Cardinal state champ standing right beside him as well. Steve, he's rocking the Webb City gear there. He lives in Jasper. But when you got a little one, when you got a little one getting ready to play for Coach Rod, deck it out in the Cardinal gear.
There you go. All right, we've got the former Barton County Sheriff who served proudly for 16 years, Bill GRIFFITT. All right, there. Man's best friend.
Like that picture.
Bill is in Lamar,
That's good.
turning 69 years old. Hope you have a great birthday.
Raymond Joe Hutto is celebrating number 86. Raymond Joe, a very happy birthday to you in Columbus. And Scott Goodion, 33. Happy birthday to Scott in Afton. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this December the 14th. That's where you can send them into birthdays at KOAMTV.com, or if you prefer to go to the email round, birthdays at KOAMNewsNow.com. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right, you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. Once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.